The EVAP system includes the canister purge valve, which helps prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the environment. This valve allows the engine to draw the correct amount of gasoline vapors from the canister into the intake manifold. What is a canister purge valve? The purge valve in the charcoal canister allows fuel vapors absorbed by the charcoal to return to the engine for combustion as part of the car's evaporative emission control (EVAP) system, preventing fuel vapors from leaking into the atmosphere. What are some of the problems with the purge valve? The most common issue with the purge valve is when it sticks or fails to close properly, which can trigger the check engine light. In some cases, vehicles may have difficulty starting after refueling because of a stuck open purge valve, causing the engine to sputter and run rough initially. Where is it located? The vapor canister purge valve is commonly located in the engine bay on a pipe connecting the intake to the canister or near the gasoline tank, depending on the vehicle. What causes the canister purge valve to go bad? Normal wear and tear. The canister purge valve, like any mechanical part, may wear out over time due to regular use and exposure to temperature changes, vibrations, and engine fumes. Electrical problems. The canister purge valve may contain electrical components, such as solenoids, which can fail due to wiring issues, corrosion, or electrical shorts. Vacuum leaks. A leak in the vacuum lines or connections can cause the valve to operate incorrectly. Carbon buildup. Carbon deposits can collect in the valve over time, impairing its capacity to open and close properly. Faulty seals or gaskets. Damaged or worn seals and gaskets can cause air or vapor leaks, impairing the valve's performance. Incorrect installation. If the canister purge valve is not properly placed during maintenance or repairs, it may not function properly. Extreme heat or cold. Extreme temperature extremes can have an impact on the valve's materials and components, perhaps causing them to degrade or malfunction. Fuel quality. Poor quality fuel or contaminants in the fuel can negatively affect the operation of the valve and the entire evaporative emission control system. How do you tell you have a bad canister purge valve? The check engine light is on. The check engine light is usually the first sign of trouble with your canister purge valve. Reduced gas mileage. If your canister purge valve doesn't open correctly, your gas mileage may decrease. Engine issues. A stuck open canister purge valve causes a vacuum leak that can harm the engine by allowing an unexpected amount of air to enter. This can cause rough idling and difficulties starting. How to test the canister purge valve. You can test the canister purge valve with a multimeter. Can you drive your car with a faulty purge valve? If the purge control valve fails, you may not notice any major performance issues and can still drive to a service shop. However, it is not recommended to continue driving with a malfunctioning purge valve without getting it repaired. How much does it cost to replace it? The average cost of replacing a vapor canister purge valve varies from $50 to $300, depending on the type of car and labor expenses. The part alone costs between $30 and $150. Labor rates also need to be taken into account. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.